Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see you. Catching some sunny vibes, so recording some useful content. Regular practice, full body. Let's see how things goes step by step. Take your mat, find your good place. Just let's start to practice. Relax. Start to briefly but inhale a few times deep and then exhale. Good job. Open your arms towards the side. Let's start to twist. Left go up, right go down, and then switch. 2, and then switch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Good. Relax. Bring your arms on the mat, knees on the ground, right arm goes behind your head, and then we start to relax our lower back and chest. Our right elbow push up, exhale, and we continue. Spine is doing some wave. 2, left arm is straight. 3, keep moving, breathe normally. 4, if you feel some pressure you can inhale and exhale more. 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, hold, keep your left arm straight, exhale, push up, hold. 3, 2, 1, switch. Right on the ground, left behind your head, and we start waving forward and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8, breathe. 3, 2, 1, release. Good job. Keep your arms straight, hips mobility a little bit. Left leg goes straight forward, and then from your left side of your hip, rotate up and down, up and down. Your right hip now is turning up, then bring them square towards the ground, and then again up and then towards the ground. Let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch. Right leg straight back, hips, then we're rotating from your left hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Change your leg, right leg on the ground, left up, straight arms, and we flex our right leg up to down facing dog and back. 2, 3, You can point your toes. 4 if you want. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then way forward, bring your left leg towards the right side. Exhale, right arm goes up. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Exhale, switch. Left leg on the ground, right leg up. Bend your left knee, and we continue from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bang, go forward. Right leg goes towards the side. Exhale up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Bring your both legs on the ground. Slowly raise your left foot off the ground. Bend. And from here we are doing same hip mobilities. Rotate and bring back. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Switch. Right leg go up and toward the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Back. Your left leg goes under your right knee. Bend and then way forward. Exhale. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Back. Switch side. Bend the right leg. Bring it to your knee and then open towards the side and fall forward. 3, 2, 1. Keep your knee in the same place. Bring it back. Good. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Straight your arms forward and breathe. Good job. Switch. Straight leg up. Left. And then switch. Knee on the ground. Straight arms forward. Breathe. Good job. 3, 2, 1. And back. Straight legs. Good. Step forward. Keep your legs straight. Lengthening through the spine, look forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees a little bit towards your chest, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then left elbow goes between your knees. Right arm push up. Flex your spine. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right go in between. Left go up. Flex. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Good job. Arms on the ground. Back. Down facing dog. Slowly bring your left arm forward and rotate your right hip. Exhale, stretch. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right one. Left hip rotating and lower. Stretch. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. And slowly back. Good job. Knees on the ground. Release. Breathe a little bit. Inhale deeply and exhale. That's it. Nice and easy, simple mobility flow. You can practice on your own at home or someone else. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.